Hi everyone, it's Miranda. Welcome back. And if you're new, hello! I know I've gotten a few subscribers this week, so hi, I'm from Canada. Today we are doing Glossybox. And I'm trying to do that. It's a camera falling over. Glossybox. And this is what it looks like. I ordered this about a month ago, and then it kept saying on the website, delay, due to weather, and I'm thinking outside, it's gorgeous out, so where is this thing? And it finally came in. I was getting a little bit worried, but it's here, so let's get into this. So first of all, Glossybox knows how to put their stuff in. This is like a really nice box. You can save this and give it as a gift. Super nice. So this is what it looks like inside. Again, they know how to lay out their box. It's really nice. First thing is oh hey there, glossers are loyal beauties. You're always our top priority, and this month is no different. We wanted to update you on an unexpected change in your February box. Due to an unforeseen supplier delay, you'll find a duo palette from Manacadar's collection in your box instead of the blooming volumizing mascara. Okay. Fine, at least you let me know. Some companies don't. They're like, I don't know what happened. The first thing I'm seeing in here is a $100 voucher. I'm in Canada, so if you are in the US and if you want the $100 wine voucher, send me a DM and I'll send you all the particulars on that. So here it is. Let's open it together. It's so pretty. It's so nice. I guess I should say what Glossybox is a monthly subscription, and I don't remember how many things you get in this box. I'm thinking it's like 5 to 6 if I'm remembering correctly, and it's usually around $30. I didn't pay that because there was a coupon this month. I got it for like 15 something. Okay guys, I don't know what happened to my camera. Stop recording and I didn't even notice. Anyways, I don't know where I was at. I didn't open it yet. Yay, didn't do it before I opened it. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. Ooh, something smells in here. Oh god, it's just fragrant. Okay. So that's what my box looks like. Let's find out what's in here. So a charcoal pore care. Cool. So I'm going to be doing a review. I just did the Glam Glow charcoal one, so I will be putting that review up. But this one is by Lapcourse. I don't know. Daily Skin Mask Charcoal, and it's in Chinese or something. But it does tell you how to use it. But there's no. That's about it. It feels all squishy inside, so that is my first thing I got. And it's not on the information sheet. This is, I don't know, maybe they ran out of more supplies and I got other stuff. I don't know. Okay. So the next thing I'm seeing is the Mighty Patch, and these are for your zits. Oh, I could have used this yesterday. Where was that? I got a nice one going on there. I could have used that. Actually, my teenager is going to be probably getting these from me. Poor guy. So you get 6 patches in each one. So that's 12 patches. That's pretty cool. And the Mighty Patch 2 sheets, so it is $5. Cool. And then of course I just read this out that this was going to be in the box. But this is Manacadar 3-Step Beauty Highlighter, Shadow, and Blush in one. And again, I don't have a knife, so I'm just gonna tear it all up. Here. So mine's called Uptown. It's so tiny and cute. I mean, it's so tiny. But good for traveling and stuff like that. Let's see if I can get a swatch out of it. Alright. This one looks like it could be like the highlighter. It's actually got really nice pigment. And this one is gonna be the blush. It's a pretty good pigment actually. I know I looked up Manicadar for my FabFitFun because they had the charcoal thing, if you remember. And I mean, they're actually like, the prices are, you know, it's kind of upscale. It's up there, so that's really nice. And that one is, right, it's not going to be on here. Oh, no, it's not on there, so it's not selling me prices. Okay, so my next one. It is by Skim Chemist London. Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Boost, plump, and glow. Guess what? My battery's flashing. Hello? Hello? I think I only have 2 more things left, so I'm trying to get this done quickly. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I'm gonna just, I think there might be a lipstick in here, so I'm gonna wait to try that on instead. Okay, VDL Primer Fresh. It's not on my thing either. Am I getting like a whole other box here or what? It's like, hey, we had all these extras. Here you go. Let's see. Oh, what? Is that what it's supposed to look like? A nail polish? Is this nail polish? Oh yeah, it is on there. It's a nail polish. Wait. Apply a proper amount evenly on the skin before base makeup. Oh, it's not a nail polish. Huh. I've never seen that before. Well, that's kind of cool. It looks like, it's actually a nice little bottle here. Looks like it's got some shimmer. Like the hint, the tiniest little bit of shimmer, but that's super nice because I don't like things over shimmering on my face. I just find it brings out the wrinkles and I'm trying to hide them. So this one is on here and that is $10. Yeah, $10. Okay. My last product. Yay, if I can get this done before my camera dies. Apparently I was not prepared today. I do have another battery somewhere, but I don't know where it is. Ow! Okay, this is not... Okay. I was supposed to get this matte crayon. It wasn't in there. Okay, so apparently they added... Oh, they added that mask thing instead of the lipstick. Weird. Okay. So this is an Arizona. It's perfume. I'm not going to open this because Lisa, you know what you're getting. So this is for you. My cat again. Doesn't like closed doors. So overall, I like the box. I like the Manicadar. And the patches, I mean, my son will use, so yeah, guys, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get Glossybox again. You live and learn. I only got it for $15. I'm really sad that the lip cream wasn't in there. That was $22. I feel like that patch thing is probably like $5. 5, 10, yeah. What can you do? Can't always win. Oh well. What do you guys think of Glossybox? Let me know. Comment down below. And I'm glad you joined me for this hopefully very short video. And guys, have an awesome day. I'm having an awesome day. I already had wine with my friend. She's like, you need to come over and have some wine with me. Yep, I'm there. I'll come right over. Yeah. Anyways, so spring break is coming anyway, so yay! Anyways, guys, thanks for joining me. If you like this video, give me a like, and I think subscribe is down on this side. So if you want to get notified of my upcoming videos, I've got quite a few coming up. Press the bell, press subscribe, and everybody, I'm off. Make dinner. Don't know what yet, but I'm off to do it. Bye, guys. Bye.